Okay, here we are with 1957 Belair hardtop. It is an original 283 dual quad, so that's two 4-barrels on it. Right now, I've downgraded that a little bit just because I couldn't get the carburetors right, and I wanted to do a little walk around for you. I have not washed it. I've had it a year and a half, and I didn't wash it when I bought it. It was a barn find. I tried to keep it that way as long as I could. Now I'm going to have to wash it now that I'm going out there to play with it a little bit. Okay, stand back a little bit, you get a little bit better view. 57 Belair. If you're not a Belair person, you probably don't know this, so fun fact. There's where you put the gas in. A lot of glare. Hopefully that doesn't mess up the video. Got some big white walls on it. Those are very old, so I'm going to be replacing those. How do you like that front end? I'm gonna pop the hood for you real quick. That's what we got under the hood. I did repaint the hood. It was all chewed up by a German Shepherd that got killed under the hood because the hinges were bad, and a neighbor's German Shepherd got into people's garage apartment when nobody was anywhere around. So, and the paint was peeling on it and everything, so I went ahead and repainted that, but that was a year and a half ago. I'm told this is the original upholstery. And I know that it's the original colors of the upholstery. I don't know if that has anything to do with why it's supposedly original, but I'm pretty sure the carpet's been replaced at least once. Looks pretty decent. I had my mechanic go ahead and rewire everything in the car. He rebuilt the speedometer, all the gauges pretty much. Redid all the wiring in the car to where every single thing works. So now when we open the door, we have interior lighting. I love these two, by the way. It's a little lock there, but if you have it unlocked, excuse me, see that? You pull that. You can open the window and have air conditioning. It ain't easy. There you go. Now it's catching the air like that. Don't try doing that driving down the road. I'm just going to leave them unlatched so somebody doesn't break something. Got some chips here. Let me show you guys the trunk as well. Why not, right? Let's see if I can do this. Okay, I can. Okay, there's a dual quads. Here's a spare tire. That's not a new sticker made to look old. Now, there's a possibility these are. But that's the old stuff. And this is a very old mat in here. Looks to be close to original. New wiring. It's got the jack under here. That's pretty cool stuff. Got all the new exhaust on it. Gonna have to upgrade them tires real soon. I'm thinking about going with some Steelies. Maybe some Detroit Steelies with, you know, a little bit lower profile tires. Maybe the Steelies would be white with maybe some type of rally center cap or something. You guys tell me what you think. I know everybody's got their own opinion. I know this is made, you know, it's looking all original, but I would like just a little bit different look on it. But I'm not positive. I'm still considering just going ahead and putting some 3-inch white walls on it that are radial tires. That's where my little light cover is. That looks to be the original top or headliner. I don't know what that is. Dust or what? Or rust. Probably rust. Well, hey, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. Helps me be able to do a lot more of these videos. It's always encouraging when you see people subscribing and watching the videos on a regular basis. If you like videos like this, I have plenty of others, you know, over 200 something videos. Be sure to subscribe, like the videos, make comments whether you agree with what I like or not. You know, just tell me your thoughts. And anyway, you guys have a good one. Happy New Year.